Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever been working away in Smartsheet and suddenly run into the mysterious error message Unparseable, don't worry, you're not alone. Today I'm going to break down exactly what Unparseable means in Smartsheet, why it happens, and how you can easily fix it if it pops up in your own formulas. By the end of this video, you'll know how to troubleshoot this error with confidence, and you'll be able to build even better Smartsheet formulas going forward. Let's dive right in. First, go ahead and open up your Smartsheet account. Maybe you already have a sheet open, or maybe you're just starting a new one. That's totally fine. Now you might be typing out a formula, maybe to sum a few numbers or get an average, when suddenly you see this little warning. Unparseable, what does that actually mean? Well, in simple terms, Smartsheet is telling you that it can't figure out what you're trying to do with your formula. There's something about the way it's written that's making Smartsheet go, wait a second, I don't get this. Let's look at an example together because this will make it much clearer. Imagine you want to add up some numbers in a column, pretty straightforward, right? You start by typing equals sum, and maybe you click and select a cell with a number in it. But then let's say your finger slips, and you accidentally type a letter right after the cell reference, or you hit the tab key before closing the formula. Instantly, instead of giving you a nice total, Smartsheet throws up that Unparseable error. What happened? Essentially, Smartsheet expects formulas to follow a very specific format, and any little extra character, missing bracket, or incorrect reference can throw it off. In programming terms, this is called a syntax error. Think of it like trying to read a sentence where words are scrambled or misspelled. It just doesn't make sense. This part might take a bit of trial and error, especially if you're new to writing formulas. The important thing is to remember that the Unparseable error isn't the end of the world. It's Smartsheet's way of gently nudging you to double-check how your formula is written. If you're stuck, I always suggest looking for those tiny mistakes. Did you open and close your parentheses? Did you use commas where Smartsheet expects semicolons or vice versa? Maybe there's an extra space or typo. Don't worry if it takes a moment to spot the issue. Even experienced users run into this all the time. If you really can't figure out what's wrong, a great trick is to copy and paste your formula into a plain text editor, look at it carefully, or even compare it to a working example from Smartsheet's help articles. Sometimes reading it out loud, almost like reading a sentence, can help you spot where it sounds or looks off. And of course, if you want to make sure your formulas are rock solid going forward, try building them step by step. Type equals sum, then select your cells or type them directly, make sure everything looks right, and then close those parentheses. Little by little, you'll get a feel for how Smartsheet wants formulas to be structured. So there you have it. Unparseable just means Smartsheet can't make sense of your formula because of a small writing error. Take a deep breath, check your syntax, and with a bit of practice, you'll be flying through formula errors like a pro. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, please give it a like. Drop me a comment if you have questions or other Smartsheet errors you'd like explained, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-understand tutorials. See you in the next one.